Hello guys, welcome to Learning with Prep Class. I am your tutor, Adindu. In this video, I'll be solving questions 27 to 34 from the Ubosiugo Quantitative Paper A Test 5 questions. After this video, you'll have gained understanding on how to carefully select the correct answer when solving questions in Quantitative. It's usually fun having you guys around, and I know this video will be a worthwhile session. Do not forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. You can go the extra mile of leaving a comment so we can communicate for effective learning. Without further ado, let's zoom in. Question 27, which has to do with section G. So with this sample, or with the understanding we will be gaining from this sample, it will guide us in solving questions 27 to 30. Now let's try it out. So we can say this times 2 is 6, that's 3 times 2 is 6, then 2 times 4, 2 times 2 is 4. So this is related to this as this is related to this, just the way it goes. The S goes, and this goes this way. So just the way this comes this way, and this goes this way. So this is related to this is related to this. Let's try this one out. So this is related to this. So 3 times 3 is 9. And this is related to this. 4 times 3 is 12. Likewise this. 2 times 4 is 8. 1 over 2 times 4 is 2. So this is how we'll be solving questions 27 to 30. Let's proceed. Question 27. We've been asked to get this done. Let's see how to do it. So we know 6 times 2 is 12 because this is related to this and this is related to this. So 0 times 2 is 0. So question 27, our answer would be 0. Alright, let's look at the next question. Question 28. We've been asked to get the answer that ought to be here. Let's see how to get it done. So we know this is related to this, and this is related to this. So it will be 3 times 2, that's 6. So this number times 2 will give us 1. So what number times 2 will give us 1? We know it will be 1 over 2 times 2 will give us 1. But still, let's solve it mathematically. So let's replace this with x. So this will be x. So it will be x times 2 equal to 1. So we'll divide both sides by 2. So x times 2 will give us 2x. So we'll divide both sides by 2. 2 here will cancel 2 to give us x. 1 divided by 2 will give us half. So this is equal to half. So half times 2 is equal to 1. So our correct answer is half. Question 28, option B, 1 over 2, which is half, is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. We've been asked to solve the number that the value here. Let's see how to get it done. So we know this is related to this, and this is related to this. So 5 times 2 is 10. So 7 times 2 will be 14. So our correct answer here will be 14. Question 29, option E, 14, is our correct answer. Alright, let's look at this next question. We've been asked to solve for this. Let's see how to get it done. So what's the relationship between these two? 6 plus 2 is 8. So since this 6 plus 2 is 8, so it means this will be related to this. So this value plus 2 will give us this. So this value plus 2 will give us 4. If we collect like terms, 2 will cross over equality sign to become minus, which is minus 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 6 plus 2 is 8. So 2 will be our correct answer. Let's check it out. Question 30, option A, 2 is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. So this is sample G, section G. I'll be using the understanding we gained from this sample to solve questions 31 to 34. So let's see how these numbers are related. So we can try them out. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 7 will give us 15. The next one, 7 plus 0 is 7. Plus 4 will give us 11. So for this one, 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 is 3 over 4. 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4 will give us 1. So this is how we'll be solving section G, which has to do with questions 31 to 34. Now, we've been asked to find this value. Let's see how to get it done. So we know this plus this will give us 2. So we wrote them all out. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 plus this question mark equal to 2. So let's say this question mark is x. So 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 plus x is equal to 2. So what do we do next? We collect like terms. All the real numbers will come over to same sign. So if plus half and plus half crosses equality sign, it will become minus half. So x equals to 2 minus half minus half. Next, we find the LCM. The LCM is 2. So this whole number here has a denominator of 1, which is invisible, but we can still say it has a denominator of 1. So 1 here in 2 will give us 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Minus 2 into 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Minus 2 into 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So this will be 4 minus 1 minus 1. So that will give us 2. 2 over 2 is equal to 1. So the answer here is 1. So half plus half is 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Our correct answer is 1. Option A for question 31, 1 is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. We've been asked to solve for this. Let's see how to get it done. So we need to solve this. Let's call this x. So this question mark is equal to x. So x plus 20 plus 30 equal to 70. Next, we collect like terms. 20 and 30 are real numbers, so they will come and stay with 70. And if they cross equality sign, it will become minus. So 70 minus 20 minus 30. X is equal to 70 minus 50. 70 minus 50 is equal to 20. So the number here is 20. 20 plus 20 is 40. 40 plus 30 is 70. So question 32, option A, 20 is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 33, we've been asked to solve for this. Let's see how to get it done. So we know 13 plus 11 plus 30 will give us this. And 13 plus 11 is 24. 24 plus 30 is 54. So the correct answer here is 54. So question 33, 54 is the correct answer. Alright, let's look at the next question. We've been asked to solve for this. Let's see how to get it done. So let's call this x. So if this is x, it will be 8 plus x plus 4 equal to 20. Next, we'll collect like terms. The real numbers will stay beside themselves, and x is a variable, it will stay on its own. So if 8 crosses equality sign, it becomes minus 8. If 4 crosses equality sign, it becomes minus 4 because they were plus before. So x will be equal to 20 minus 8 minus 4. So 20 minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12. So 20 minus 12 is 8. So this value here is 8. So 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. So question 34, 8 is our correct answer. Alright, this is how far we can go with this video. I hope we had fun. Our answers came out quite easy when we implemented the knowledge from the sample. I'm using this time out to ask us to join our WhatsApp group using this link below, so we can get updates on more videos to come, and we can ask questions and comments on the previous videos we've seen. It was fun having you guys around. Till I come your way again. Bye!